Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket Update for the live trading alert call room. Today is Thursday, January 28th. I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Great day in the room, guys. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 winners. We had one break even for some people. Some people it was a small winner, smaller lot traders, because they got in at a higher price. And I'm going to go through everything we did today, and I'm going to let you know. So the first trade we had, was an RS trade, 1892.50 after the 845 candle. That one went down, and that one made 2 points. If it was managed really tight, somebody would have been taken out there at entry, which is most people, so we're going to say up to 2 points on that trade. Did end up going a little bit further, but you had to give it a little more wiggle room, so we'll say 2 points on that trade. Decent winner to start off the day. Market came back up, came back down. We got short on an understanding trade, 88.50, and again, my targets here were 84.50, 82.50, and I told everybody that if you want to stay in, there's a ZL here. Okay, so most people did get out here at 82.50, which was a 6-point trade. I said if you have a bunch of contracts and you want to leave one go, you should be out of 95% of your contracts. You could do that. But again, a lot of people were out here, so we'll say a 6-point trade there. Obviously, you could have gotten more. We were short from here. Obviously, you could have gotten a lot more. Here were my next two targets down here, and we did get in again. But, you know, that was a nice trade. Market came down. Again, we got short on the 930 candle. 930 candle, 1874.70 or 1874.75, 1875 short there, and that one went down to 150, and then some people got out at 68.75 as well. Once it was down here, I started telling people get out of the trade, but it was bought up real quick, and then it was bouncing around, so some people didn't get out till 69. So up to, again, another 6 points on that trade. Some people would have gotten about 3.5, or up to 6 for those who held. Market came back up again. We tried another RS trade, and I told everybody that, you know, if they wanted to take an aggressive entry, they were going to have to add 475, add at 675. I said if you want to wait, otherwise wait for the candle to close. Some people did wait for 675, and they got a couple points here, 2-3 points. Some people added and got out at break even. I told everybody if you did add, just get out at break even. So that was a break even for some. One lot traders, obviously, they couldn't add, so they would have had to get in up here, and they made a profit on that as well. So that was a nice little trade there. Then when the market came up, okay, we had an understanding trade. 78 quarter, 1878 quarter. First target was 975, and my second target was all the way up here. I told everybody starting at 250, okay, and then we had the bottom of the circle, actually 5 quarter, anywhere in here, which is basically where it stopped because we had a ZL. And that was a great trade too, from 78 quarter. 4 or 5 points on that trade there. You could have got up to, more than that. You could have got up to 6 or 7, but mostly 4 or 5 points up to there. Was bouncing around. Everybody had plenty of time to get out of their trade. And then I thought about getting short right there, but I said we were going to wait for a little more confirmation. Once the market came down, we got short 81, 80, 50, 75, 81. I just told everybody, get ready. We were waiting for it to come up a little bit more, and when it didn't come up, I just said just get short right there. Get short. I told everybody I was short. So some people were short 81 quarter, some people were short 80.75, 81, right in here. And we took that down to 76.50, and then we had to be flat here when the room closed at 73.50. I told everybody, either take your 76.50 and be done for the day, or hold it till the room closes, and that's where we got out right there. So that was again from, let's say 81, 6 points to the 70. I'm sorry, 650. 750, 850, 950, 1050, about 4.5 points to the first target, and then if you did hold it till the end, for those who held it to the end, 73.75, that was about 7-8 points on that trade. So just a great day today, and we're going to come back again tomorrow. We're going to do it all over again, and until then, have a wonderful afternoon.